Yep, that's us, Tweety Bird and Bird Dog. And we had the bright idea to start a YouTube channel about edible flowers, hollyhocks, and sunflowers, and we're so glad that you stopped by. We're going to grow them and eat them and make all kinds of things about them. And maybe you can help us with the dilemma in this title about subscriber problems. Well, anyway, I know a way that you can help us, and I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. And I love growing food, but sometimes I feel like I'm the silliest 71-year-old woman in the world when it comes to starting this channel, because right now we're in the middle of a pandemic, and whether or not it is planned by men or a horrible accident or the act of God, oh, wait a minute, we still need to learn how to check YouTube subscriber count. I mean, how to check subscribers on YouTube. But folks like Sean Cannell, Heather Torres, Luke from M.I. Gardner, John Kohler, and even Roseanne Barr don't think it's silly to start a YouTube channel now. I just can't imagine why my subscriber count is not updating. Even the prepper princess, Kelly Barlow, Emmy made in Japan, would say there's no better time to follow in all of their footsteps. The YouTube subscriber count is driving me crazy. It can be confusing why my subscriber counts are not working. Anyway, for UC, we, Bird Dog and I, want to share our undying love for all things sunflowers, hollyhocks, and because they're 100% edible, and they're just downright beautiful. And the general public does not have a clue that they are nutritious and delicious as they really are. Bird Dog is right here, honey. Some suggest that you find our subscriber count frozen, melting, or burning up, and also tells a lot about where to find real-time YouTube subscriber count. Could you do that, honey? Anyway, you folks need to know that hollyhocks are biennial, that reseed fairly easily, and sunflowers are annuals, but they'll do the same thing. And the sunflowers can be growing right away when you have to wait a year and a half to 2 years to be able to start benefiting from the hollyhocks. Yes, Bird Dog, I did check the subscriber count. Was the subscriber count down? Or was it just starting? Okay, I'm back to you folks again. Now, as you can see or hear, I'm trying to do what some are calling multitasking, or is it ADDD? I don't know. ADDD. Anyway, when you add fast-growing radishes, salad burnet, Seminole pumpkins, and beans, and if you have water, you can survive. Bird Dog, I am not going to stress this, but leave it in your big, strong, capable hands to figure out how to check live subscriber count regularly, which is a trick because we are a new YouTube subscriber count. So thanks, Bird Dog. Okay, so folks, did I mention that all 6 of those plants I just mentioned before the interruption with Bird Dog, that they're 100% edible and easily renewable? So they are sustainable and can help you when supply chains break down and store shelves are depleted. We grow all of them, and we'll teach you how to also, and how to cook them and make crafts from them and all kinds of things. We fully enjoy all of their overabundance of male flowers, especially the ones from sunflowers and hollyhocks. We love to sculpt them, paint them, crochet them, draw them, preserve them, cook them, and even eat them, most of them raw. And we will cover every possible aspect of their lives and the joys that we get from them in our videos right here, and you can come back anytime and get a lot more because we've got a lot planned. Plus, in the not too distant future, we will be offering Merc related items, many of which will be handmade right here on our videos. And you can help us. Remember, I told you how we had this figured out with our dilemma about subscribing now. And you can help us right this minute here in 2020 or 21, 2022, or far into the future, whenever it is that you see this video. Ring the bell. Please, please, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for hanging in there while we're making this pseudo meltdown and our first Eating My Flowers video. Find the joy and angels all around. Bye now.